Hello there and welcome to Pandora FMS YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to deploy and use our remote control software eHorus. eHorus is a simple but powerful remote control software that offers agents for the majority of operating systems on the market. And I said agents because one of the great advantages of eHorus is that you don't need an application to remotely access your computers. You just need your favorite web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Edge, Brave, or the one you prefer. Throughout this video, we will learn in 3 simple steps how to install eHorus. We will use a Windows machine as a remote computer since it is the most widespread operating system, but there are also agents for Mac and Linux. The 3 steps for installing eHorus are very simple. First, sign up on eHorus.com website. Second one, download the agent to be installed on the computer that you wish to access remotely. And third one, access the remote control system from your browser. It is that simple, and then you will already have your remote control software ready. eHorus uses cloud technology and its use is completely free up to 10 devices. In case you have to manage a higher number of devices, please contact us. We have the best subscription plans on the market. That being said, let's get down to work with the first step. Create an account on the eHorus website. It is very easy. First go to eHorus.com, click on register and fill out the form with your data. Pay special attention to the very first field, which will be your eHorus ID, by means of which you will configure your devices and access the management board. The following fields are the classic ones: email, language, name, the password for your eHorus account, and there is a final field where we ask you how you found us. And with this, we have already completed the first step. Step number 2 is installing the eHorus agent. For this step, from the computer that you want to access remotely, go to eHorus.com and click download. Then scroll down to the download table, select your operating system, in my case it is Windows, click on the logo and it will start downloading. Wait a couple of seconds until it is fully downloaded and there you're ready to start the installation. Installing it is quite simple, just double click on the package you downloaded or click on your browser's download manager. The compressed package will open with the installer inside, so double-click on it. This will open a simple wizard that will guide you throughout the agent installation. Click Next, read the terms and conditions, and if you agree, accept them and click Next. Once you select the standard installation, it will ask for your eHorus user, the one that we created in the first step. In addition, you may create a specific password for this device, which enables kind of a double security. Click Next a few more times and that's it. You have eHorus installed and configured to start remotely controlling this computer. Finally, there's only step 3 left, which consists of remotely connecting to the computer. So from your local computer, access portal.ehorus.com from your web browser. Enter your credentials and there you have your remote computer ready to be controlled. It is that simple. From this portal, you may see the general state of the computer with detailed information about it, and of course control the computer remotely by clicking on the play button and then clicking on the desktop section. If you define a password when you install the agent, you will have to enter it. Type it in and access the agent options. In the upper right corner, you will see options for remote connection and a couple of buttons. One of them is to connect in viewing mode without being able to interact, and another one to have remote access. Click on this last one and then you will be able to remotely control your computer quickly and easily. You only need to have a web browser to access your computer. Furthermore, eHorus is not only limited to standard remote control. It has very useful advanced options such as copying files remotely, viewing and managing the services and processes running on the computer, opening a remote command terminal, or sharing control over your device with others for a certain amount of time. As you can see, eHorus is a simple but powerful remote control software for all levels and needs, whether you only want to remotely access a computer or you need to perform advanced management for many devices. And that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, and if you want to find out more and learn how to use eHorus advanced features, subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.